You know what brings me peace of mind? Having Google Sheets in my back pocket. It costs me nothing, yet it brings me joy, comfort, confidence. Really, my life would be a mess without it. And in this video, I'll show you how Google Sheets can make your life easier, just like it's done for me. To start, have you ever been so stressed out about your upcoming vacation that by the time you're ready to go, you have no energy to actually enjoy it? Seriously, the details, the planning, it's a lot, and having no way to keep everything organized just makes it worse. So let's say you had a simple tool that you could access from anywhere and costs nothing to use, like a simple Google Sheets itinerary. You can plan out events, get a sense of the cost, and schedule out everything in advance. With everything organized, you'll stress a lot less and actually save your energy to enjoy your actual vacation. For me, Google Sheets allows me to do all of this so I can enjoy my time off while I'm away. It's funny how a work tool like Google Sheets gives me freedom away from work. Speaking of freedom, another big stress point in a lot of lives are those pesky personal finances. A strict budget that's impossible to live up to, that makes you feel guilty about spending money on just about anything. Sounds awful. What if instead you had a budget that fits your lifestyle? It's easy to manage and actually makes you feel good about your money choices. For me and my family, we have our one Google Sheets budget that makes talking about and managing money really easy instead of a nightmare. The customization that Google Sheets gives us makes it possible to put something together that works the way we want, isn't overcomplicated, and is easy for us to understand. So budgeting, saving, spending, all that jazz is super easy thanks to Google Sheets. That being said, this is a really good time to recognize that this video here, this is a YouTube video, and I make a lot of them. It's just one of the many things I have to organize and track throughout my workday. And if you're anything like me, you'll probably describe work as crazy or hectic or just sometimes way too much. And if it weren't for Google Sheets, my work, my business, the whole thing would just collapse. I use spreadsheets to manage my cash flow, my goals, especially my content. Seriously, it helps me keep every single video organized and makes it possible for me to post on YouTube without getting lost in the process. So if you haven't considered Google Sheets as a tool to get your work organized, then you're really missing out, and you should absolutely give it a try. All right, so vacation, money, work, how else can Google Sheets make your life easier? What about helping you track the things that you never think of, namely your habits? As human beings, we're creatures of habit. You tie your shoes, put on a seatbelt, flip the light switch, all without really thinking about it. What about your health habits, drinking water, exercise? How about your mind, reading books, or doom scrolling? The question is, how are your habits shaping the life that you want to live? Well, if you track them, you can find out, or at least see what's going on. So using Google Sheets to put together a habit tracker, or a tracker for anything you want to track, I've said track like 4 times now. All right, let's get back on track. Okay, anyway, my point is that you can turn Google Sheets into a living log of anything you want to monitor and improve. Then tracking your progress gives you insight that you've never had and opens the doors to growth and opportunity to improve your life overall. And the best part is, you can make whatever you need to track whenever you want if you just learn a little bit about Google Sheets and how it works. So if you'd like to learn that little that you're missing so you can make a big positive change in your life, then you should check out my Google Sheets school community where you can find some really awesome tools and learn the skills that you're missing to make your life easier using the power of Google Sheets. I've left a link for you in the description, so definitely check that out, and I hope you enjoy what you find. Other than that, I will see you in the next one.